welcome back to Vussy Max in the building. If it ain't about the money, I wouldn't be here, and you wouldn't be here either. Today we're catching up with the boy, day in the life. Ne? I'm doing this basically at around 4:30 p.m. But I'm just gonna wrap you guys up with what's happening. Right now, actually about to hit the gym. I'm just going to hit the gym to pay back for my sins for last night. Last night was a little bit crazy. We made 3,800 USD from about 1,600 USD. I'm gonna show you guys the proof, and then I'm gonna show you guys more on that later. You understand? So for now, I've been hungover the whole day. Been hungover the whole day. Went to buy this bumper. As you can see here behind me, is a rare bumper. So working on a little project. I'm trying to make this kind of a build, which I'm thinking of starting a different YouTube to do that. I'm gonna link it, you understand, either in this video or in the next one. So I'm building this car, so the build is about to commence soon. I'm just still buying some of the things I need and stuff like that. So now we're about to go to the gym. 4:30, supposed to link with my brother, and then we're gonna go out to eat, and then I'll catch up with you guys about that, and also what happened exactly with Profin World, since you guys been wanting to know. So stay tuned. Let's get it. So as you can see, this is the baby that we're about to make a build. She's seen better this sham, but we're gonna sort that out. And I'm bringing you guys along for the journey. For now, let's hit the gym, fellas. It's officially 5:45. Gym session done. Waiting for my brother now so we can go eat dinner. But if this nigga is not showing up, because the nigga is always late for everything. So if this nigga is not gonna show up, just gonna ride it solo, because I'm not trying to shoot no boring ass vlog. You know what I'm saying? You made it this far. If you made it this far, just like the video, hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future drops. Away. Hey, what's up? So gang. Kilo chaga yini mochi. Yeah guys, we're in mainland Maine. Just arrived at mainland Maine, touchdown. Going to some grill house. I don't know the name, but I'm sure when I see it I'll remember, because it's something grill house. So let's get it. There's nothing like a steak after gym fun. Oh, you miss gym. The brother decided to miss the gym session, but there's nothing like a steak after a gym session on a Friday after a profitable week. Let's get it, my brothers. We are not going back. That's how we buy a Maybach. Yes, sir. I'm not going back. You're not going back in a Maybach. I'm in a Maybach. You're not going back in a Maybach. It's bouncing. As Brazil guys must watch my videos. Maybe one day, I can also be in a Maybach. Now we have to find the George's. I think it's George's Grill House. George's what? La parada leone na le groove asinyana. Now we don't want to groove. We want to sit down.
I'm not feeling the vibe yet.
No,
let's enter. Too formal.
Wait, let's enter and see what's happening.
So you bring me the miso, and then you tell her all the fuck ups.
So she can crash out.
Yeah, what is it? Last night I fumbled.
Wool up, nigga. Wool up, just wool up.
That's brass. It's too packed, Joe. George's is too packed, guys. Like it's so packed. So I think it's catching an L today. Maybe we might try it another day. So we might have to go to La Parada. Alright guys, so change of plans, man. Change of plans. No change of plans. We're not gonna via here because we looked at the menu and we looked at the menu and we were in disbelief over, because us, me and my brother, us steaks over everything. So we saw they got dry aged Sundays. Let me show you. As you can see there, brush, there's a dry aged steaks here, so I'm telling you. And then we ordered double gin and tonic, zero sugar.
Yes.
You understand? We're trying to balance. Presentation is good. Yes. Yeah, no. No, I just hope the food is as good as the presentation and everything so far, everything the way it's going. I hope the food is as good. And yeah, we're not opening a food YouTube channel. They don't get it twisted. We're still about the money here, you understand? Yeah, so we're gonna chop it up. A couple things. Yeah, as the night goes, I'll bring you guys along. Prince wanted to go. He said, nah, this place is too packed. But they also saw the menu. That's my brother. They also saw the menu, and he's like, boys in. I saw him get excited. I was like, I knew I had the place now. So yeah, shout out.
Meanwhile,
The food is here, as you can see. What a ram. Prime card, dry aged, 30 days. More on that later though. Because if it's not about the money, I wouldn't be here. We made money. I want to show you guys this account real quick. This is history since last week. As you can see, we grew the account to overall 3,500 profit. But me, I want to talk about this. The account was funded 1.6, right? 1,600, and then the total money that we managed to withdraw 3,800 and something. So you understand? You guys like proof. So the proof of the withdrawals is here. As you can see, 9 July, and the other one it came in the midnight. This, if you can calculate it, it totals 3,800 and something, somewhere there. If my math is mathing, you understand? So now we're about to eat. We're about to share a food review in the building. Let's get it. Guys, this is the review of what we're having. We're having a ram, I think it's a ram steak, something, but it's dry aged for 30 days. It's rare. We like to, you know what I'm saying? You can't have well done and all those things. You must eat your steak medium rare or rare. So this one is rare. Brother's one was having a medium rare. We have to rate it 8 out of 10. It's literally just melting in your mouth. Pause.
And then you can everything to do in happening.
What's the review of the place?
It's the one. Last time we were away, Crow did this.
Yeah, Crow
did this still take it best. 10 out of 10. This one will give it 8.5.
That's what I said. It's an 8, guys. It's an 8. 8.5. Dango. Okay, guys, we just ate. It's time to fire now. We live in mainland Maine in the building. We're gonna pass through heads and see what's happening. So stay tuned.
later.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to this morning, which is the day after. This is literally the following morning, right, from the previous clip. So we ended up not going to Hatfield. We did pass, but it wasn't really booming like that. So it was just a bus. So just so matter went to sleep. 8 nights, got a good workout, so just went to sleep. Woke up today. The plan is to go to the gym, but there's a quick little errand I have to do, and also I'm hungry. You know what I'm saying? I'm hungry. What's the time? It's almost 12 o'clock. About to have my first meal. So I decided, let me go to KFC. I know. Let me go to KFC, get something and then catch up with you guys about what's been happening and stuff like that. Real quick. You feel me? So we're about to talk about, we need to address the elephant in the room, right? Profin World. So as you guys know, I was pushing with Profin ever since the open, which was like, they had a launch in November, December. I don't remember correctly, but I think it was December. November, December, they had a launch, amazing launch. And then we started working this year, right? So I had to deal with them. And basically, I did push them even on my platform, like, yo, let's trade with Profin Wealth, which I was also trading with them. There was a promotion of the no deposit promo. that's when I started seeing a lot of you guys complaining and stuff. But to be frank, there's a lot of people also who came to me and I helped them, not really helped them too, but they just needed clarification about that promo, because the thing was, the stipulation was that you had to trade, I don't remember how many lots, but you had to trade a certain number of lots, and then you can be able to withdraw the 10k, understand? And then I think you had to reach 10k, and then you can only withdraw the 10k. So I know people, some folks, if I can go scroll down through my DMs, I'll just attach the screenshots of the DMs to show you guys. Like, people were legit withdrawing from the shandies, you feel me? So I saw a lot of people were also complaining. So that's the first thing that didn't rub me the right way. I have to just watch, you know what I'm saying? Like, I fuck with you guys, so obviously when you guys are not also on my side, like, I do take note of that, and I try to understand your side also, and also take into consideration my side also. So yeah, that was that. And then that's when I was like, oh, okay, maybe, you know what I'm saying? But people were withdrawing, so that one was like, Mara Chief also. Sharp. So this was like last month or this month, right? They sent out emails. I'm gonna touch the email here. Email saying everybody's required to withdraw their monies, they're ceasing operations and stuff like that, which basically in other terms just means sort of they're shutting down, right? Yes. So it all came as a shock. It came, all of it, as a shock to, well, for me, it also came as a shock. I wasn't really expecting, like, I saw a lot of potential in that broker, you understand? And the thing is, I've worked with Miss Megs for, I don't know, we've worked together quite a lot of times, you understand? So I know how she's been working with brands like 245 and stuff like that. She has a track record, you understand? So shout out to Miss Megs. So I was really surprised when they released that email saying everybody's supposed to withdraw and they're ceasing operations and stuff, which basically means the company is shutting down. Why is the company shutting down? I have no idea, but I think for a business to survive, there has to be a cash flow, and they have to, like, you know what I'm saying, be in the positive. So maybe they were in the red, and then they decided to cut their losses or something, because it literally doesn't make any sense to me. Because the broker has so much potential, so much potential. And there was like real traders, the guys who were also on the team of the IBs and stuff, was like, you know what I'm saying, like really good traders, like the likes of Matawa and them and stuff like that. So yeah, I just didn't see it coming also. And it's sad, but from a business perspective, I'm sure it makes sense for them to shut down. So yeah, they did shut down. And Miss Megs can only tell the story herself. Like, maybe I should get on the channel to explain to us what's happening or something, maybe, if she's willing. But yeah, it's her story to tell, you understand? So far she hasn't said nothing. I don't know, maybe she's not ready to say that. But to her, if she's watching, I would like to remind her that she's probably the bravest woman in the forex industry that I know. So you understand? Shout out to Ms. Megs in the building. So what's the move forward for us, me and you, the viewer? Right now, let's focus on the craft, guys. Let's focus on the work that we're doing. Stay consistent with your work. And like I've been doing also, I had to also cut down on the YouTube, because the amount of time YouTube takes, bruh, the editing, the filming and everything, it wasn't conclusive with the amount of work I had to put in the charts, right? So I had to kind of like have a balance. Like, this is paying me, this also can pay me, but you know what I'm saying, this is where I'm making most of my money in the market. So that's why the videos were coming only now and then. So now I feel like I'm at a place where maybe we can do that. And the fact that, but as me, I don't want those crazy views or whatever. Whoever is here rocking with the videos, these videos are for you, exactly. So as long as you're rocking with me, we're going to keep rocking. And so what I'm saying, we're not pushing any broker, not pushing any link for the rest of 2026. We're just focusing on the craft. We're sharing the entertainment. I'm gonna bring the vibes to you. Would you like to see some people on the channel? I can organize that for you guys too. So today's vlog, we're going to end it here. Once you end it here, also got a twister and a Coke Zero. You know, Coke Zero balances all the calories, ne? Coke Zero and a twister. Told them to add the hot sauce nyana. So now I have to get busy with the Polo. It's not this car. It's not this car. So I have to get busy with the Polo. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm gonna try to open the other channel now, so that when this video drops, I'll just attach the link to the other channel where I'm gonna put the car content stuff there for anyone who's interested to see a build. So it's your boy Vussy. See you guys on another one. Thank you guys for making this far. Recommend the boy forever and ever and ever. Love you guys. Peace out.